Welcome to LITBLINDS Store YouTube channel. Get 50% off and order online with free shipping. Best design for 3D wallpaper and custom blinds. 3D wallpaper revolutionizes interior design, transporting you into a world where walls transcend flat surfaces, inviting depth and dimension into any space. With mesmerizing patterns and textures, each glance unveils a captivating visual experience, transforming ordinary walls into dynamic canvases that spark imagination and creativity. Whether it's a serene natural landscape or a bold abstract design, 3D wallpaper adds a modern and immersive touch to any room, making a striking statement that captivates the senses. Custom blinds offer the perfect solution for tailored window treatments that seamlessly blend style and functionality. Crafted to fit your unique specifications, these blinds enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space while providing precise control over light and privacy. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of wood blinds, the sleek sophistication of motorized options, or the versatility of fabric blinds, custom solutions ensure a perfect fit for any window size or shape. With a wide range of materials, colors, and finishes available, custom blinds allow you to express your personal style while elevating the ambience of your home or office. 3D wallpaper brings a new dimension to interior design, transforming walls into captivating focal points that transcend traditional decor. With its innovative patterns and textures, 3D wallpaper creates an immersive visual experience, adding depth and intrigue to any space. Whether it's an abstract geometric design or a realistic depiction of nature, these wallpapers invite exploration and spark creativity. They offer a modern and dynamic touch to homes, offices, or commercial spaces, leaving a lasting impression on all who encounter them. With a wide range of styles and colors available, 3D wallpaper allows you to express your unique personality and style, turning ordinary walls into extraordinary works of art. Custom blinds offer a tailored solution to window treatments, perfectly blending style and functionality to suit your unique space. Crafted to your exact specifications, these blinds elevate the aesthetics of any room while providing precise control over light and privacy. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of wood blinds, the modern elegance of roller blinds, or the versatility of vertical blinds, custom options ensure a perfect fit for any window size or shape. With a wide range of materials, colors, and textures available, custom blinds allow you to express your personal style while enhancing the ambience of your home or office. From sleek and minimalist designs to luxurious and opulent finishes, custom blinds offer endless possibilities to transform your windows into stunning focal points that complement your decor seamlessly. 3D wallpaper revolutionizes interior design, offering an immersive experience that transcends traditional wall decor. With its intricate patterns and depth-defying textures, 3D wallpaper transforms any space into a dynamic visual masterpiece. Whether it's a realistic depiction of nature, an abstract geometric design, or a whimsical fantasy landscape, these wallpapers captivate the imagination and add a sense of depth and dimensionality to walls. They provide a modern and innovative touch to homes, offices, or commercial spaces, instantly elevating the ambience and leaving a lasting impression. With a wide range of styles, colors, and themes available, 3D wallpaper allows you to personalize your space and create a truly unique environment that reflects your personality and style. Say goodbye to flat walls and hello to a world of endless possibilities with 3D wallpaper. Custom blinds offer a tailored solution to window treatments, providing both practicality and style for any space. Designed to fit your windows perfectly, these blinds enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home while offering precise control over light and privacy. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of wooden blinds, the sleek sophistication of roller blinds, or the versatility of vertical blinds, Custom options ensure a seamless integration with your decor. With a wide selection of materials, colors, and patterns available, you can customize your blinds to match your unique style and preferences. From maximizing natural light to creating a cozy atmosphere, custom blinds offer versatility and functionality that elevate the ambience of any room. Experience the perfect blend of form and function with custom blinds tailored to your specifications. 3D wallpaper revolutionizes interior design by adding depth and dimension to walls, creating visually stunning spaces that captivate the senses. These wallpapers feature intricate patterns and textures that appear to leap off the wall, offering a mesmerizing visual experience unlike any other. Whether it's a realistic depiction of nature, an abstract geometric design, or a whimsical fantasy landscape, 3D wallpaper transforms ordinary rooms into extraordinary works of art. With its ability to evoke mood and atmosphere, 3D wallpaper brings a sense of drama and sophistication to any home or commercial space. Whether you're looking to make a bold statement or add subtle texture, 3D wallpaper offers endless possibilities for creativity and expression, allowing you to personalize your space in a truly unique way. Say goodbye to flat walls and hello to a world of depth and imagination with 3D wallpaper. Custom blinds provide the perfect balance of style and functionality for any window treatment. Tailored to fit your windows precisely, these blinds offer a seamless integration into your home decor while allowing for precise control over light and privacy. Whether you prefer the classic charm of wood blinds, the sleek modernity of roller blinds, or the versatility of vertical blinds, custom options ensure a perfect match for your space. With a wide range of materials, colors, and finishes available, you can customize your blinds to complement your interior design scheme and reflect your personal taste. Elevating the ambience of any room with their timeless elegance and functionality. Experience the ultimate in window treatments with custom blinds tailored to your preferences. 3D wallpaper is a game changer in interior design, turning ordinary walls into dynamic canvases that captivate the eye and spark imagination. With its intricate patterns and depth-defying textures, 3D wallpaper creates a visual spectacle, adding layers of dimension and intrigue to any space. Whether it's a realistic portrayal of nature, an abstract geometric pattern, or a whimsical fantasy scene, these wallpapers breathe life into rooms, transforming them into immersive environments that inspire creativity. By pushing boundaries and challenging perceptions, 3D wallpaper offers a fresh and innovative approach to decorating, allowing you to break free from the constraints of traditional wall coverings and infuse your home with personality and style. In essence, custom blinds offer the perfect combination of form and function, providing unparalleled versatility, style, and practicality for any home or commercial space. With their tailored design and precise craftsmanship, they elevate the beauty and functionality of your windows, transforming them into focal points that enhance the overall ambience of your space. 3D wallpaper elevates interior design to new heights. With its versatility, you can tailor the ambience of any room to suit your tastes and preferences, whether you seek tranquility, inspiration, or a touch of whimsy. As light dances across the intricate patterns and surfaces, shadows playfully interact, adding another layer of intrigue to the visual symphony.
Lit Blinds required professional for blinds installation. Contact us for become our partner. Order online and free shipping. Lit Blinds work in different countries: Canada, USA, UK, Australia, Dubai, New Zealand. Order fast and get 50% off. Don't waste your money. Contact us with these numbers: USA 2547086262 and Canada 5148265278. www.litblinds.store.
LITBLINDS.store operating worldwide. We are required the skilled for install window blinds at everywhere.
Scan QR code and 50% off. LITBLINDS.store.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe, like, comments and share.